What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking a little bit about the crypto markets. And yes, high altitude investing is fully back. I've got my fedora on, and we're going to be talking about the crypto markets and how I think they're going to drop, and then they're going to go up after a summer correction. So let's get straight into it. If you guys aren't a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. So we're not going to be looking at charts today on my screen. We're just going to be talking face to face. So the summer correction is something that's historically true in the crypto markets. Oftentimes people get their tax returns and the price kind of jumps at the beginning of the year, and it pulls back a little bit during tax season. Then after tax season, it starts to go up. And then during the summer, everybody goes on vacation. Everybody's doing different things, and they kind of lay aside their crypto trading. That's just kind of more of a fundamental factor involved in the trading. As you guys know, we're mainly looking at the charts and we're mainly looking at chart patterns. Now with Bitcoin, I personally see an ABC correction coming in Bitcoin that could take us back down to about $50,000 per coin, which is a pretty significant pullback. And Ethereum could go back down to $2,900, $2,700 per coin as well, which is also a pretty significant pullback. And if you think about it, altcoins are going to drop a lot harder than Ethereum or Bitcoin will, even though Ethereum's technically an altcoin. It has so much market cap that it behaves a lot more like Bitcoin now. So a pullback like that's going to mean some altcoins are going to drop 50-60% or more over the summer. So this is why I've been making a lot of warning videos. If you guys have seen my previous 5-6 videos, I don't know exactly how many, have all been warning you guys about a summer correction coming in the crypto markets. Why? Because I want you guys to have some USDC or USDT or even just US dollars in your bank account ready to be able to buy the dip. Because holding through a 30 to 40% correction on Bitcoin and Ethereum and a 50% plus correction on some of these altcoins is not going to be fun. That's definitely something you don't want to do. So that's why I've been warning you guys, letting you guys know what I'm seeing in the charts. So what am I seeing in the charts? Well, the S&P 500 does have bearish divergence, same with the Dow Jones, and there's a lot of FOMO in the crypto space. I'm seeing a lot of FOMO in people, a lot of people that are very excited about it going up to 70K or to 90K to 100K over the next few weeks or months. And that human psychology almost always plays out, where people get too excited and the market has to come back to reality. And to see so many people posting bullish charts is a huge sell signal. But also, like I said, in the charts, we're seeing bearish divergence. We're seeing Bitcoin following the same patterns as gold. And there's a lot of bearish divergence on different altcoins on different time frames. And a lot of reasons to really sell in preparation for an ABC correction inside of these markets. Now, do I think crypto is going to die forever? No. Part of the reason I wanted to come face to face with you guys today in a little bit of a different kind of video is to give you hope, to let you guys know that the markets will recover after this, and that the bull market that's coming after this is going to be absolutely insane. It's going to be so big that you guys will be printing money in your crypto accounts and in your bank account faster than you're even going to know what to do with it all. So you're definitely going to want to keep that big picture mindset of, yes, there's a correction coming over the summer, or I expect a pretty big correction coming over the summer. I've been calling it a crash, but really it's just kind of a big correction coming. And when it's over, you guys, there's a lot of reason to be super excited about cryptocurrency. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. The technology, the jack is out of the box. And just like the internet, it kept growing and growing and getting adopted and adopted, even though the internet had its cycles and its crashes and pumps along the way up. Crypto is just like that. It's just like the internet. It's here to stay. The technology is revolutionary. It's really cool stuff. And it brings the power of money back into the hands of the people, which really has been controlled and centralized for so long that we need that power back into the hands of the people where it belongs. So crypto's here to stay. So after this correction, we're really going to see a big move in the markets on the upside, and a lot of people are going to make a ton of money if they're willing to take some profits now, buy the dip, and prepare for a big move to come. Now, for me personally, that looked like taking 50% profits off the table into USDC and USDT in preparation for that pullback. I'm not 100% out. I have been shorting the markets. I've been shorting Pepe. I shorted pretty much the exact top of Pepe, took some profits when it hit a local low, then shorted again when it bounced, took some profits. And then I kind of got stopped out a little bit trying to short again down here. I've been finding the right entry, looking for the right entry again to short the markets again on Pepe. But there's also other coins I've been shorting. I shorted Injective yesterday and made some money. I'm shorting Bitcoin right now and really preparing for a pretty big move on the downside in the crypto markets. So that's what I've been doing, but I'm not 100% out of the market. Everybody plays it with different risk profiles. For me, risk management is a very important thing. So that's why I personally took 50% profit off the table in preparation for the summer correction. But again, I want to remind you guys to keep hope and to keep your faith, because in the big picture, the crypto markets are going to recover. And we're going to have a huge, giant, euphoric bull market, just like everybody wants to have happen right now. It will come after we shake out all of the newcomers, all of the FOMO, and all of the hype. So that's my personal view on the markets. And you guys, you can make a bunch of money during the correction if you play it correctly. I've been using Apex to short the markets, and I've been printing money, shorting Pepe, while everybody else is panicking. So there's a link in the description box below to get set up with Apex Exchange if you're interested in trading on there. It's a great platform. It's decentralized. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just love their platform and their exchange. It's completely decentralized, so you own your funds, and you can go long, you can go short, you can play the market whatever direction you want to play it. You can have a stop loss, a target at the same time. It's really one of the coolest things ever. And my good friend Donovan showed it to me, so shout out to him for showing me Apex Exchange. It's been a huge blessing in my life. Also, you guys, pay attention to the bigger picture here, because like I said previous in this video, we're going to have a pullback, but the big picture bull market is intact. The pullback's big enough that I don't want to hold through it, and then I'm going to capitalize on the downside, shorting the markets, but keep your eyes on the prize. Don't lose sight of that big picture target on Bitcoin, which I did make a completely public video because my VIP member said, "Hey, Dallin, you should make your Bitcoin target public." I asked everybody, they were like, "Yeah, let's do it." So my target for Bitcoin is $250,000 per coin. So don't lose sight of that big picture target, especially when Bitcoin pulls back over the summer and everybody starts switching bearish, everybody starts getting scared. You guys are going to know exactly what to do to buy the dip and to keep your eyes on the prize. So that's my view on the crypto markets, you guys. I love you. I appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully this video was valuable to you and for you, and maybe it gave you guys some more insight of what I'm personally seeing, what I'm doing in the markets. And yes, the hat is back. So you guys, high altitude investing is fully back. So get ready for some awesome content over the summer and over the rest of the bull market, and even probably into the bear market, depending on how things go and how everything evolves with this channel and, my plans for the future. So stay tuned for really exciting things to come. Again, I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune into today's little video. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.